My name is Matthias Spohr. I'm Managing Director of Lufthansa Aviation Training. As a leading airline training organization in Europe, Lufthansa Aviation Training is renowned for its high safety and quality standards and appreciated for innovative training techniques. In this respect, we are glad to provide the expertise for training and development of competencies necessary to fulfill the special needs for a new generation of pilots, those who fly the Lilium eVTOL jet.
For me, it's incredibly exciting to see these four companies joining Lilium as partners. It's incredibly exciting also because I know these companies. I've been working with these companies in my previous aerospace life, and I know what they are able to deliver in terms of product, in terms of quality, in terms of processes. All four world-beating companies in their different fields. They are as inspired as Lilium is to become the global leaders in electric vertical air mobility.